Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox one sunglasses we have purchased from Lenskart. Let's see. Watch till the end of this video to see the sunglass. If you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe it, like this video and share it with your friends and family. If you like this, you can also order.